The Eddie Show! The Eddie Show! Hello guys, I'm your host, Eddie Ivanov, and this is my brother, Antonio. Hi! And welcome to the Eddie Show. Me and my pal, Red Butterfly, are good person. She had 5 and check. And are you ready? For a check box? Yeah. So here we go. Ta-da! Yeah, that's good. Right? As always about his have a treat. And we everything that I watch right. And we also takes for all the times. I hope you enjoyed the show. You get subscribe. My brother's YouTube channel, and he add you as your friend. So I see you later at the next episode. See ya. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. Bye. Goodbye.